Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
We are aiming to commission the agricultural machinery to enhance the irrigation, to put confirmation and truth to agro-processing economic zone that is being approved, and to equally partner with you to banish hunger. That's all. You are doing the job. You are walking the talks. And it is necessary for me to support you. It is mandatory as Nigerians. When you read paper, some of us are confused whether to abuse the present or the past or make excuses for the future. Not in my dictionary. Take action now. Do your best. Re-engineer the finances of the country and stay out on the right path. Those who may be complaining now, we have to understand only the perseverance and consistency can make a nation buoyant. The student loan program will commence. There will be unemployment benefit for our graduates. The Social Security program for the elderly and vulnerable will commence. We are fine-tuning all of that area. We are going to relieve people of hunger. And if all of you, I'm glad I'm facing Abdurrahman, have been paying the wages award pending the determination of new salary wages. Let all the subnationals start paying that. Let them. A wage award plus whatever they are taking now, and the wage award will relieve the public. Please. I'm not giving an order. I'm appealing to you subnationals. Lagos, are you doing it? You are beating your chest? And get everybody to do it. It's a relief to the people. They get used to it. Then the mechanism is the fact that it will not be inflationary. If we announce a new wages in a few weeks or months, they've gotten used to the basic 30,000 plus the wage award. So it has dampening effect on the market. Please, get some nationals together and NEC should adopt this.